This one is all about the trade deal that's been signed between India and USA. We've all seen the memes about India and USA's trade deal that's been signed forever. It's been taken forever to be signed. There have been a lot of memes about this, like it has been taken forever to be signed. So, this has come to an end. Both India and USA have come to a conclusion from both the ends, and now they're stating that a trade deal is going to be signed between both of them, and a treaty is going to be signed as well. A treaty is something where two parties come together, they actually talk about the problem or talk about the deal or they talk about like something, an issue or anything. They just come to a conclusion that's been written down on whatever the both parties have to offer each other or for them to set to a condolence. So that is what you actually call as a treaty, and that is exactly what's going to be done. And a new trade deal is set to be signed between India and USA after a treaty where both the countries actually come to one neutral position after whatever they're going to be offering or whatever they're going to be rejecting. They're going to be bargaining or arguing. They're going to be coming to a neutral end, and then a treaty is going to be signed. As soon as the treaty is going to be signed, there is going to be a trade deal which is going to be done and sealed for between India and the USA. The dates have going to be confirmed, and this trade deal is said to be happening, and this is said to be revolutionary. So, what all has happened? Let me just tell you in just some short terms of what all we've been seeing all this while. Starting off, Trump states that Trump states that India will not be buying Russian oil. India will stop buying Russian oil. But we've now got official statements from the Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. But what is Trump saying? India is not going to be buying Russian oil from now on. That's what he states. And another thing is that what India has confirmed is that they are going to be adding 500 more million dollars of purchases on fields in the USA, which is technology, energy. So India are going to be buying objects in these fields for 500 more million dollars. Yes, 500 million dollars is going to be invested, or worth of money is going to be buying products from USA by India. This is said to happen, and this is going to be epic, because when you're going to be looking at this case, this was said to be revolutionary, but this took a lot of time for both the parties to come together at a single conclusion. And they also said that the tariff was set at 50 percentage, then recent days it was lower to 25 percentage, and now in the trade deal actually said that the tariff is reduced to 18 percentage. So the relationship between the tariff and the reverse tariff is going to be 0 percentage. Yeah, the barrier is going to be 0 percentage right now, and the tariff which US is imposing on India has reduced from 18 percentage to 50 percentage. Yes, we did it. So the tariff which USA is imposing on India has been reduced from 50 percentage to 18 percentage. Yes, we did it. That is the trade deal which was set to be signed, and the date is going to be announced really soon. And we are going to be coming to a conclusion. This war is going to be coming to a conclusion, and all these things are going to be coming to a conclusion. We're going to be getting a clear idea on Venezuela, and we're also going to be getting a clear idea on how much percentage of Russian oil is going to be bought, or is no Russian oil is going to be bought, and what else is Trump demanding for, or what else is India asking for. We have to wait and see what's going to be happening, but this trade deal has been confirmed, and this is making all of the stock markets look green. Yes, stock market after a bad hit due to the budget are now recovered, and they are in green. Yeah, this is going to be a very huge positive sign in the stock market as well, and this is going to be making a lot of good. Yes, a lot of good to all the people who are in the stock market, on all of the citizens of India and USA. It's going to be favoring everyone, and this is quite useful. So all of us wait and see what's going to be happening in this trade deal. When is it going to be signed, and what all are they going to be asking for more? And is this the end? and this is the end of a new beginning. Yes, let's all of us wait and see what's going to be happening. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. I'll then bye. See you later. It's me, Ashwan. Sign off. Peace out.